Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
This video will guide you about designer print format for billing. Under continuous printing, you can find the option of sale bill print designer. You can design and customize your sale bill format using this tool. Firstly, go click on configuration option to add a new print format. Give a configuration name and save it. Choose the configuration from list and select a sale bill. Click to refresh data and then go to design option, right next to refresh button. Before getting started, go to file menu and open page setup. Here you can define the page size, margins, borders, etc. Under View menu, you can find the option to add header and footer. Now, go to Table menu and click on Insert Table. Define the number of rows and columns. Now, we are going to add fields one by one. To add field, go to Properties menu given below. On the right side, fields related to invoice are displayed and on left side fields related to the firm are present. Simply right-click on the field and click on Insert Field. The desired field will be inserted in the table. You can also apply various fonts, sizes and styles. Moving further, let's add another table below and add fields. You can also add company logo or image. Go to Insert menu to add image. Browse the file from the device. You may resize image as per requirement. Keep on adding tables to insert other invoice header details. You may also format the fields by a simple right-click on the respective field. Click on Field Properties. For instance, let's view various date formats that can be defined. The sample format can be seen. You can select the date format from the list and click on Format button. We have quickly designed the header part by simply adding tables and fields. You can apply table borders also. Just select the entire table and right-click to Table Properties. Select the table frame you wish to insert and click on OK button. Similarly, the frames can be added to all the tables as well. Let's move on to the next section of the printing, in which tables of item contents will be defined. Go to Table menu and insert a new table, but this time we will tick on Bound Table and open Settings. Choose Bound Table as Item Details. You may add columns by clicking on Add Columns option. First column in table will be defined as serial number. So under Column Properties, you need to define column type as serial number from drop-down list. After that, you can go to Bound Columns list and add all the necessary attributes one by one. In Column Properties, you can rename the header text by simply typing the text. You can also enlarge or reduce the column by simply dragging it. It is mandatory to define the column type of each and every column according to the value they hold. For example, all the fields except the ones that hold measurable value will be marked as dimension, and rest that hold numerical value, that can be used for simple summarizations such as sum, etc., will be defined as measure. Under Other Settings tab, you can find various options that will help to customize the background color, border style, text color, etc. You can also apply various fonts, styles, and size. Then we have this option of vertical as well as horizontal alignment of text. To show grand total, you need to mark it as true, and the grand total row will start appearing in grid. You can also fit table to the page width and height by making it true. This option will allow columns to automatically fit according to the page width and height. Click on OK button to save the grid settings. Now we will add another bound table for tax details. To create tax details grid, you need to select bound table as tax details. Add columns the same way we did earlier. Under Options menu, you will find Preview options that display series of preview settings. One of them is to allow optional lines in printing. You may tick to enable this option. After that, click on the field and go to Options again and click to skip the line if the value is blank. Do the same for all the fields. With the help of this option, the fields with blank value will disappear from the print. You can also design a customized field using the Expression Designer. There are various functions available to design a field or perform minor calculations. Simply double-click on the function. For instance, let's choose Convert to Words function that allows to convert any numeric field into words. Add field in the function braces you wish to convert from the given list and click on OK button. Let's check the expression by executing it. As you can see, it is successfully created. Now you can save the expression. Give a unique name and save it. Now you can add field into the table. Lastly, we can add table to display the terms and conditions. Don't forget to save the layout. Let's look at the print preview.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.